Hi, Beanbeautis, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Oh my goodness! Yes, it's a birthday surprise. I have a content creator collab with none other than Kim from La Vida with Kim. Oh my gosh! She sent me birthday gifts. She was part of my huge Galentine collab. So if you haven't seen that, go check out all the content creators that are involved in there. And I will link my video down below in the description box. And from my video, you can get to all the other videos if you have not watched that. So I sent them a thank you for participating because, you know, I just do that. I know that was like my first big coordinating collab that I wanted to do. So that's just that. And that just means a lot to me. Not that none of the other collabs mean. Okay, I'm gonna have to start this all over. I love Galentines. I love Valentine's. I love February. Because in February is our anniversary. We got married February the 14th. My birthday is February the 20th. My dad's birthday, who is now passed away, is February the 28th. And his grandmother was on the 28th, like my dad. So we all shared multiple birthdays. And in February, because, you know, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. So, and it's our anniversary. So it's just kind of extra special. I've always collected hearts. I've always loved red. It's just, everything comes together in February. And I just wanted to share that. And I actually had, you know, we never had Galentines. And then when Galentines was developed, I took the positiveness of Galentines and I wanted to share it with friends and develop friends and have a collab. And so I just wanted to tell them thank you for doing it, because it's a lot of work to do collabs. It's a lot of work. So that's why I wanted to do that. So I've been trying to be, like I said, a little bit more proactive, and when I'm healthier, to be able to do these things. I'm used to like packing up birthday gifts, things like that, and I'm like, okay, through the power of Amazon, I have to utilize their services, and I definitely start with those who have helped me out along the way and who have definitely participated in my collab. So that I organize. So Kim's birthday was in January, and January was a hard month for me. We were on vacation, getting back to the rhythm of YouTube, getting back to the rhythm of life. It was freezing in Texas. And so I just, well, here, let me show you this. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. So as I'm talking to you, I'm going to try to open this one. I didn't get the hubbies to open this one ahead of time for me, but I should be able to do it. But her birthday was in January, and so I sent her a belated birthday gift. I sent her thank you gift, and I just wanted, oh gosh, this is why I get the hubby to do it. And I don't ever like to do it with scissors, but hold on. Okay, it's hard to open. That's why I've been trying to get the hubs to do it, to help me with my shoulders and my hands. They're just hurting so bad. But anyway, so I sent her that, and she said, well, as a matter of fact, I'm sending you something for your birthday. I said, Kim, you didn't have to do that. She says, I wanted to. She says, I just didn't get it to you before your birthday. I said, I'm sending you a belated one. Hello. I didn't send y'all's thank you gifts before Galentine's. So really, it's okay. And let me try this way. So she said, would you like to do a collab? I'm like, absolutely, absolutely. So it took a little while for, you know, the logistics of the mail and all that kind of stuff. And I got it. So I am recording this. It's Sunday the 23rd at 8:15 at night. Hubs is a bed. Brother's at work. Grandkids and family are gone. Look at this. Let me pick it up. Oh, okay. Tissue. So we're doing a content creator collab on our birthday exchange. So please make sure, if you don't follow Kim from La Vida with Kim, here's a picture of what her channel looks like. So when you go over and link in the description box, I have in the description box her channel and her video, and go over and subscribe to her, tell her hello, tell her I sent you. By now, you probably have heard of her because she's the bling queen. I dubbed her the bling queen, and she dubbed me the denim queen. Dubbed me the denim queen. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at all that prettiness. Okay, let me see if there's any instructions, because sometimes people like to give instructions, and there's no instructions. Okay. Then I'm going to start with this first one. Let's see. Oh, it is candies. Irresistible Smooth White Chocolate. Uh-oh, my husband is going to fight me for these. He loves white chocolate. He loves white chocolate. Thank you so much, Kim. I really shouldn't be eating candies, but I love the candies. I have a sweet tooth. I have a sweet tooth. So we have this. Let me set this right here for now. And then over here, here's the next package. More candies. Oh my gosh. I love these. These are great. It's the milk chocolate truffles. These are so good. I can't wait. I can't wait. And then a box. She probably knows and remembers that I love boxes. I love pretty boxes. Okay. Packaging on par. Did I package very well? Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, so here's the box. And it's beautiful flowers. Look at that. Oh. Okay. And here is... Oh, she's getting for... I actually thought it was... I felt like these candies had the Easter vibe. The Easter vibe, and they do. So I can see, because the Peeps. Oh my God. Peeps, we absolutely love Peeps in this house. Do we ever eat Peeps? I don't know, maybe sometimes, but we buy them all the time for the kids. And she gave me a little card. Let's see if I can see something here. Well, I mean, I'll see it. I'll see if it's something I can read. It says hugs and kisses. At least you can see that right now. And it says, hi, Miss Dee Dee. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful time, and cheers to many more to come. I hope you enjoy your gift. Sending you many hugs, blessings. Love, Kim. So cute. And she put stickers there. She also put the, I forgot. It's the Tim, she loves the show. The movie. She loves a movie show, interchangeable for me. What is it? What is it? Like Nightmare Before Christmas, right? Nightmare Before Christmas. It's one of her favorites. I think Jack's her favorite. And my granddaughter, actually, she likes Jack too. I think that's his name, right? But Peep, it's a Peep. It's an Easter Peep. We are getting ready for Easter. I love that. This is adorable. Adorable. Thank you, Kim. Tissue, more tissue. Oh. I am stunned. Stunned. Can you see what she got me? OMG, Kim. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's some other little goodies here. Let me show you these. This is cool. La Vida with the Kim. It's a pin, a button. Very cool, Kim. Very, very cool. I will put this on right now. Maybe. Can I get it? I don't want to flash y'all. That is so cool. I might be stealing that. I might be stealing that. Did you bling these? You bling these special for me, Kim? No wonder I have never seen them. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you got my size. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Kim. Oh, I have a Kim special. Oh, I am speechless. Oh my, look at the shine. Look at that. Oh, y'all know I'm all about the Crocs. They'll match this. Oh my gosh. I have a pair of red Crocs, but not like these. How many hours did it take you to bling these? Oh, Kim. Oh my God. And it's like I'm Dorothy. I'm Dorothy. There's no place like home. There's no place like Kim's. There's no place like La Vida with Kim's channel. Oh my gosh. This is how I found Kim. I found Kim because she was blinging, and I came across her channel, and she was blinging. I don't even remember what the first one. I went down that rabbit hole. Oh my gosh, Kim, I am supremely, supremely honored. I mean, you absolutely, I am so honored. Oh my gosh. My ruby slippers. I have my ruby slippers. Dorothy has her ruby slippers and I have mine now. Oh my gosh, Kim, look at that. Oh my gosh. I know I keep saying, oh my gosh, I'm speechless. I don't know what else to say, and you can't have dead air. You're not supposed to have dead air. I'm stunned. I am beyond stunned, y'all. Beyond stunned. Oh my gosh. She did the back as well. Look at this. Okay, let me give you the 360. Let's do one. This one doesn't have the tag on it. Here is the back. She blinged the word Crocs. She blinged right here. She's blinged her daughters out all the time. And you can wear, if you're not familiar with Crocs, you can wear them up this way or put them on the back, you know, put them on, you know, on your heel. And I always just wear them like this, easy slip in and slip out. And oh, look at that. And then here is the sides of the Crocs. These are I forgot what is it on here. These are different kinds of Crocs. Crocs have lots of different things. I have dress Crocs. I have these are the classic Crocs. Okay, these are the classic Crocs. Look at the meticulous work. Look at that. Look at that, how even that is. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna want to wear these. And then if I do wear them, I'm not going to take them off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Kim. Freaking stunning. I mean, wow. Yeah. You have a place in my heart. Oh my gosh. And look, I'm wearing red. And I just so happened to wear red. We had dinner with our son and daughter-in-law and the family, their family and the grandkids. And I popped this on. Wow. I was looking, I can see them here in the mirror. I have a mirror over here and I'm like, oh, they just sparkle so well. I feel lightheaded. I literally feel lightheaded from, wow. I mean, I think I'm just going to end it here because, yeah, I mean, wow. It's just, thank you, Kim. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I mean, wow. I have said that so many times lately in regarding the YouTube community that I have found myself a part of, is thank you from the bottom of my heart to those viewers, the subs, the content creators I have been blessed to be part of with, you know, for me and my channel, it took me a while to hit 1,000 to get monetized, as far as compared to those cohorts that started at the same time. However, I reached my watch hours like that, you know. So I have a lot of people who watch on TVs and who watch from their computers, or who just kind of listen, and I consider you Beanbeauti. I consider you part of my channel, and it doesn't you know, it helps me as a content creator for you to grow, for you to hit that subscribe button and for it to grow. But I feel the love no matter what. Um, and I have said that so many times just recently. From the bottom of my heart, I'm grateful. But for somebody to take the time out to do this, because this is not like a, you know, a 10-30 minute job. This is like hours and hours to do that. I mean, wow. I can't. Kim reminds me of a younger me. And I tell her this all the time, is I wish that I could have found you before, because I used to do all that stuff that Kim did. I used to do all that stuff that Kim does, you know, that she does right now. And I can't do it anymore. I try, but with my hands, I can't do it. And she knows that. We've talked about that. And I've offered to pay her to, you know, early on I said, you know, would you be willing to bring something for me and let me pay you? She says, no, I don't do that anymore. It's too much. It's too, you know, it's too much. I don't have time to do that. I mean, you know, Beanbeautis, thank you so much. Please, if you are not following Kim, please go over to her channel, send her some love, let her know how much I appreciate her channel, how much I appreciate her, how much I appreciate her talent. Please go watch her video, like and subscribe to her. Check out the piddly little thingies that I gave her. Nothing compared to this. Nothing compared to this. I'm just so blessed. Thank you. Thank you to the YouTube handbag luxury community that I have found myself in. Thank you. Thank you. It's all I can say is thank you. Thank you.